Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept a friend request on Call of Duty Warzone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty Warzone game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. Now from this page, if you tap on the social option at the top right corner, this will show you all of your friends that you have added. Now click on Expand Social and you will see the Add Friends as well as the Friend Requests option. If you have received any request, then you will see this within the Requests section, which you can click on and then tap on the Confirm option in order to confirm the friend request. You may also receive this notification within the Notification section of the home page. From here also, you can tap on the Confirm button and this will confirm the friend request and you will now become friends with this user. And after you confirm this request, this person will now appear within your social tab. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to accept a friend request on the Call of Duty Warzone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.